Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over how to sanitize your water lines. Today we're looking at a rockwood. It has a system that will work by siphoning it from a bucket, and we will talk about how to do it if you don't have the system. But on this particular unit, you have a antifreeze inlet. Basically what it is there is a valve inside at the pump that you can change to bypass the flow of water from the tank. Then this becomes your suction port. So what you do is you take a garden hose, hook it on here, and then you can use it for winterization purposes, or in this case we're going to use it with a bucket of water and bleach. So if you pump antifreeze through your system to winterize it, you're going to be able to use this system in this way to sanitize it. You can do it a different way too, like I said, we're talking about it, but basically garden hose here, bucket of bleach and water, suck it through. You might have to use a couple of them, 5-gallon bucket would be great, but you're going to suck it through, run it through all the systems, any water line that you use until the pink is gone, and that'll help sanitize any lines. Now if you don't have it, we're going to talk about that next. So here we're at the fresh water fill. This is the other way that you can do it. So if you have a funnel and bleach, you basically stick your funnel in here, pour your bleach into the fresh water tank, make sure the drain is closed, add a little bit of water, and do the same thing. You're going to run the system until all the pink is out of the lines, hot, cold, flushing the toilet, shower, anything that gets water. You're going to want to run those water lines until they're clean. Like I said, it might take a 5-gallon bucket, but the bleach is what's going to help sanitize that line, because anything that had the antifreeze in it is now contaminated. So in order to clean it out, a little bleach solution with water, run it through the system until it's run just normal water through, and you're good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.